Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos. Very good charming designs of this video. It's all about the crochet baby girls frocks. Crochet baby girls frocks are used in different patterns for different stylish, good charmings, good stunning, and also good designs of uploaded in my channels. You will be perfectly and elegant videos and different types of designs, different perfectly videos and different things, different are different perfectly, and different trendiest are especially uploaded in my channel for demanding videos, so special for these designs. And keep on attractive, keep sharing, keep good charming videos, so elegant, so gorgeous, just amazing and perfectly videos. And baby girls frocks are 20 videos of baby girls frocks are 20 designs, and basically we have to share with newest videos, so I explain for these designs like baby girls frocks. Baby girls frocks are two point of view, like summer and winters, two seasons are easily carry these designs. Anyway, you know is that for winter seasons are cold weather, like different types like dressing our baby girls, so same dressing of you, and different like summer season are heavily and softly dresses, and for more difference are not uncomfortable dresses, and different types of designs different are uploaded in my channels. These keep on attractive are especially uploaded for you our baby girls designs, so crochet our 20th work, our 20th designs. I am waiting for these comments for related any topics of baby girls frocks, like babies related videos next uploaded for next. Do not be anything for my choice of designs, like so attractive videos and just looking amazing videos. Hope everyone like attractive videos. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video.